making chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, so first Nixon is gonna put the eggs in the bowl. Oh, that looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna pour the butter. Next, we're gonna pour the butter. I like butter, but it was actually butter. Okay, I can't pour it in here. So scary. So we're gonna pour the vanilla.
Guy, yummy. Let me eat.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it actually does smell good. Don't drop in and put the salt and baking soda. So I'm doing the salt and Nick's doing the baking soda. My hands got a little. The baking soda doesn't smell good. Next, we're gonna put in the sugar cane. I'm gonna put it. Oh my goodness, that's a lot.
And me.
Next, we're gonna pour the cookie. Now we're gonna stir it. First time making cookies. Here, Nixon. I'm gonna hold it, okay? Let it go. Making that part too. You need help because I'm gonna do that part. Next, we're gonna put the flour and pecans and cashew. I'm gonna go first. What a big bowl. Ugh. This is so much. Now we're gonna stir it. Feels so weird.
Okay, yo.
Now we're gonna add the pecan and cashews. Wait! Oh my goodness, now we're gonna stir it. Oh, now we're gonna put the chocolate chips. And white chocolate chips. Ooh. I don't want to taste like Nixon, no. This would be hard. This would be something which is really weird. It's so hard. Alright guys, now we're gonna make them into the ball. Oh my goodness. So big with chocolate chip.
Yeah.
I don't know how to roll them.
Yeah. What? Bowling.
Bowling balls. A little one, Nixon won't. Nixon. Oh my goodness. This would be weird.
Too big.
Ooh. Ooh, it smells good.
Look.
So good.
Right there, big.
Ah, Nixon. Oh, you touched me.
Ow. Whoa.
Sorry.
Dad.
Oh.
Whoa, what did it?
Now we're gonna bake it for 350 degrees for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go and alright guys, the cookies are done. Now we're gonna eat it.
They're really soft. And
It smells good.
Yeah, me too.
Listen, you get a quarter. Tastes good.
Yeah, they do.
The chocolate chip.
Yeah. Yeah, shit. Yeah.
It actually tastes good.
Yeah.
It's a little bit hot.
No, but it will help me. Mommy. No hot.
How does sweet taste?
What else in there?
chocolate chip. I don't see any white chocolate chip.
Yeah.
Actually, tastes good.
Yeah. Shut it in.
Alright guys, this is my chocolate chip video. We hope you enjoy it. Click the subscribe button if you like this video. Bye!
Yummy.
Look guys, we made a cookie cake! Oh my goodness. How did you make that, Daddy?